Hello guys, Aditya here. This is my final assignment for my project work name as the tall building design for the Skyfi Labs online course. In this video, I am explaining the working of my project, which include the define, analyzing and design of the G plus 23 structure. This is our problem statement. In this video, we are designing this G plus 23 structure. Here we have given the floor detail for the different set of stories. As we can see, the dead load of 2 kN per meter square is common for all the stories, and live load is varying for the different set of stories. And for that, the story that is for story 1 to 8, the live load is 5 kN per meter square. For story 9 to 14, the live load is 4.5 kN per meter square. For story 15 to 19, the live load is 4 kN per meter square. For story 20 to 23, the live load is 3.5 kN per meter square. We also have given the various frame section details that are the beams and columns. For beams and column, we are using the auto select option. For column, we have given the sections. Given sections are the 500 by 500, 550 by 550, 600 by 600. For beams, the 500 by 300, 550 by 350, and 600 by 400. These are all dimensions in EMM. For designing this G plus 23 structure, we are using this material that are M40 grade concrete, HYSD 500 steel, and mild 250 rebars. For the slab section details, these are 150 thick slab, and we are using the M40 grade concrete for this. For cladding, we are using the AutoDraw cladding command, and for cladding load, add 0.2 kN per meter square. And for wind load, we are considering the Bangalore city for considering the various parameters of the wind load. After this, the steps involved in the tall building design. This mainly consists of 5 different steps, which include the first is define. In this, we are defining the geometry of the building, then defining the material properties, then section properties and load. After next step, assigning the sections and load. Then we are running the analysis for the SFD, BMD and deform shape. Then fourth is the designing the building to check the shape dimension of the building for the assigned load. Then finally we will get the output report, which consists of detailing and summary of the project we have designed in the software. For this project, we are using the ETABS software. After explaining the problem statement, let me start with the ETABS version 17. As I already designed the structure, I will click on the open existing model, then select the file. After opening the model, you can see the in left side tab the plan view of the building, and right side tab we can see the 3D view of the building. As follows, I will explain the various steps involved in the designing of the building, that are the define, assigning, analyzing and design, with more focus on analyzing and design. As I already defined the geometry of the building, you can see the plan view and 3D view of the structure. Let's start with the first step, define. In that, first define the material properties as given. That I have added the different properties, that are M40, HYSD 500, mild 250. Okay. Then define the section properties, frame section. As I added for the column, we have given 3 sections, that are the that also I added, that are the column 500 by 500, 550 by 550 and 600 by 600. For beam, I also added the 3 sections, that are 500 by 300, 550 by 350, 600 by 400. After that, lastly define the load patterns. that are the lead load, lie load and wind load. After this, after then assigning in for assigning, assign the different members for the structure, and assign the various load that are lead load, lie load and wind load. After assigning and assigning the loads and members, our model is ready for the analyzing. For analyze, click on the analyze tab, then select the run analysis, or simply click the F5 key for running the analysis. As this is a tall structure, it will take some time for the analyzing the structure. We can see the progress of analyzing in the left side bottom corner. After analyzing, we can see the deformed shape of the building as it shows showing the action of the assigned load on it. We can visualize the many options from the display menu, such as shear force and bending moment in the structure. For that, select the force slash stress diagram, then select the frame forces. For saying the bending moment in the structure, select the moment M33 and apply. We can see the bending moment at the various sections of the building. And for SFD, for shear force diagram, select the shear to 2 and then apply. We can see the shear force diagram for the various member of the structure. Then click OK. To regain the structure to the original shape, click on display and click on undeformed shape. We can see the original structure. Then after analyzing, our model is ready for designing. So then for designing, click on the design tab. As we are designing the concrete frame structure, then select the concrete frame design. Before starting the designing of the building, set the preferences. Set the design code as per IS 456-2000, as already defined the IS code. I will click on OK. After that, click the design tab, then concrete frame design, and start design / check. To start the design of the building, after designing, we can see the various reinforcement detail for the various sections of the building. For seeing that, click the any member which you have to see the reinforcement details. After clicking the right click, we can see this the reinforcement detail, that we can see the top steel, bottom steel and shear steel. Also we can get the more details like this. For checking the structure is safe or not, click on the verify all members are passed. Then it will show the this option, all concrete frames pass the design check. then click OK. Now our structure is safe. As a final output, we will get the report of our project. For that, click on the report menu and then click on the project report. As you can see, the final results or the outputs of our project from this tab, from report tab. From this we will get the project report and summary report. In that we will get the material properties, section properties, and various reinforcement details for designing and execution of the structure, and many more. Thank you. And lastly, I want to acknowledge the Skyfile Labs for this wonderful course. Thank you.